Your doors are more than just entry points to your home. They play an important role in security, comfort, and curb appeal. In Rockford, where seasonal weather can be harsh, doors often show wear and tear faster than homeowners realize. Knowing the signs that it's time to replace your doors can save you money in the long run and improve your home's energy efficiency and safety. Let's explore the top indicators that suggest it's time to invest in a door replacement. Drafts and rising energy bills. If you feel cold air leaking in during the winter or notice warm air seeping through in the summer, your door is likely not sealing properly. Drafty doors force your heating and cooling system to work harder, driving up utility bills. A new, energy-efficient door ensures a tight seal and better insulation, helping Rockford homeowners stay comfortable while lowering monthly costs. Difficulty opening or closing a door should operate smoothly. If yours sticks, squeaks, or requires extra effort to open or close, it's a sign of warping, swelling, or frame damage. Rockford's changing humidity and temperatures can cause doors to expand and contract, which leads to misalignment over time. Replacing the door ensures smooth operation and eliminates everyday frustration. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, dents, rot, or peeling paint aren't just cosmetic problems. They can compromise your door's performance. For wooden doors, moisture is a major culprit in Rockford's climate, leading to rot or warping. Steel doors can rust if their finish wears away. Not only do these issues make your home look neglected, but they can also weaken your home's security. Poor security features. Your front and back doors should give you peace of mind, but outdated locks, flimsy materials, or weakened frames can make your home vulnerable. Modern door replacements come with advanced security features such as reinforced locks, solid cores, and impact-resistant materials. For Rockford families prioritizing safety, upgrading your door is one of the simplest ways to enhance protection. Noticeable noise infiltration. Do you hear every car passing by or conversation happening outside your door? Older doors often lack proper insulation, allowing sound to travel easily into your living space. Installing a new, well-insulated door helps reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more comfortable home environment. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, the need for a door replacement is about more than function. It's also about appearance. If your current door looks worn out or doesn't complement your home's style, it can drag down curb appeal. In Rockford, where pride in homeownership is strong, updating to a stylish new entry door can dramatically improve your home's first impression and even increase resale value. Condensation or moisture between glass panes. If your door has built-in windows and you notice fogging or condensation between the panes, this is a sign that the seal has failed. Moisture buildup can reduce visibility, lower energy efficiency, and eventually cause mold or mildew issues. Replacing the door is the most effective solution. Why door replacement is worth it? Replacing your doors is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Not only will you enjoy lower energy bills and better security, but you'll also boost your home's value and curb appeal. In a community like Rockford, where both weather and lifestyle demand durability, a new door ensures long-term comfort and protection. Final thoughts. If you've noticed drafts, rising energy costs, visible damage, or outdated security, it's likely time for a door replacement. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, maximizing both efficiency and safety. Rockford homeowners who upgrade their doors can expect a home that's more comfortable, attractive, and secure year-round.